In this video, I will show you how to add team members in your Jira project. So the first step is to open up your Jira software account, then click on your projects and then click on view all projects. Now here you can see all of your projects and you want to select the project that you want to add team members to. So for this example, I will do this one right here. And then here you can see your profile picture, and next to this you can see invite where it says add people. So this is where you want to click. Now here you can add people by their name or email, or you can add them from Google, Slack or Microsoft. So I'm going to add in this email right here. Now in order to select a role, you will need to have one of the premium plans. So I'm just going to add them in as an administrator. Then you can also add in more people at once if you want to, but I'll just add in this one person. So then you want to click on add one person, or maybe 2 or 3 or however many. Now you have added them to this project. Now of course they need to accept this invitation, so I'll show you what this email looks like for them. So they have got this email right here, and then your name invited you to join them in Jira software. Then when they click on accept invite, they can enter their full name, create a password, and then they have created their account and are in your project. So then it will show their profile picture right here as well. So that's how to add team members into your Jira project. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.